Hello everyone, it's me, Max West. I draw comics and children's picture books. And for today, on the 30-day drawing challenge, I'm going to do a sketch of Herman the German. He's one of the characters from my Wild West comic strip, Poison Ivy Gulch. It's set in the Old West. Now Herman, he's the hangman in Poison Ivy Gulch. When I draw the character, I always start with his eyes and his nose. That's all we can see of his face. All we can see here is the big shaggy mane of hair and his beard. Alright, here. Alright, let's give him... He wears a gun belt with 2 revolvers. Anyone who tries to escape their fate at his rope, they're going to get shot down. Give him these really narrow yet wide feet. Let's put in the holsters there. There's his pistols. Let's draw his hands behind them. There he is, Herman the German. Let me shut that light off here. There he is. Alright, I'm going to just tighten this up here. He's doing his suit. There was rather big nose there. Sign my work. And there we go, kiddies. Another day on the 30-day drawing challenge complete. I've sketched Herman the German. If you want to check out more of Poison Ivy Gulch, just follow the link below. Subscribe to my channel. And stay tuned for more art on the 30-day drawing challenge. Until then, it's me, Max West, saying goodbye.